In this video, I will show you how to download Steam on your PC so you can start playing your favourite Steam games. To get started, open up a new internet browser, and what you can do is just come across to Google search and search for Steam, or if you want to come across directly to the official website, the website is store.steampowered.com. So once you come across to the website, you're going to see it's going to look like this. From here, you want to come up to the top right hand corner and you're going to see a green Install Steam button. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is take you to this screen where you can click the button to install Steam onto your PC. Now once that's done, come down to your search box, and in here you want to type downloads and then open up your downloads folder underneath best match. From your downloads folder, you should see the Steam setup. Double click to open this up and just click yes on the permission that comes up as well. So here we are back on my desktop. As you can see, this is what the Steam setup looks like. So all you want to do is click next, choose your language and click next, and then choose your install location and click onto install. So what it's going to do now is just take a minute or two to run through and install Steam. As you can see, once Steam has finished installing, you can choose if you want to run Steam straight away by ticking the box and then click onto finish. Now once you've done that, initially there's going to be some updates, so you just want to give it a minute or two to download all the available updates so that you have the most up-to-date version of Steam. And once Steam has finished updating, it's going to launch and ask you to log in with your Steam account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for absolutely free, either via the website, or there's going to be a link on the login screen to create your account. For now, I'm just going to log in with my account. You can see on the login screen just down in the corner, there is a link here to create a free account. Once you've created your account and logged in, or logged in with an existing Steam account, you'll then be able to start using Steam straight away. So that is how to install Steam on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.